Hi students, very good evening. I hope so everybody might be keeping well at home in this present pandemic situations. Today we're gonna go for a very important and I would say a superb easy simple experiment which we can do at home. You can try out, and that's gonna be a oxidation reactions. Okay, so how oxidation reaction can be taken place in sort of fruits and vegetables in our day-to-day life. It can be seen everywhere. Okay, students, especially today we will be discussing about the oxidation reaction of an apple. Let's get started with that. Students, have you ever thought about the brownness of an apple when we cut into different slices? Perhaps you could find it how it turns brown color, isn't it? In fact, the slice of an apple turns brown color when it exposed to air. What is the reason behind it? Student, could you please tell me what else can be done in order to prevent this oxidation reaction of an apple? I mean, how it will be prevented, how we can stop turning brown of an apple. So by means of activities, let us understand. And today's video we will come to learn the oxidation reaction of an apple and how it will be prevented. I mean, how we can treat the apple that it's not gonna turns brown. Okay, students, here I have taken some sample of substances to investigate the speed of oxidation reaction of an apple, where the apple turns more brown and where it is less. So this is the first sample we have taken here, the sugar water and then salt water. Can it be seen to you? And then can you see here the third one, the glass, which is actually orange juice. Okay, now let me show you. Even I have taken the milk. Okay, this is actually milk, and then this is called vinegar. Okay, and then this is normal water, I mean drinking water, and then empty glass where I haven't taken anything else. It is untreated one. Okay, so now let us do one thing. We have to make slices of an apple. Here I have. Okay, let's go for it, and let me make into two part first, and then I will be making different slices of an apple. Can you see it seems to be white now? And then after reactions we will observe how it turns brown color and in which sample it is more brown and where it is less. Okay, these are the slices. I'm making this about 7 slices because there are 7 glasses, right? Okay, so it is done now, so I have to now the first slice of an apple, let me put into the orange juice. Okay, is it done? Can it be seen to you, right? Okay, the second slice of an apple, let me put into the salt water, and then this is the third slice, let me put into the sugar water, and the fourth one, can it be seen? It seems to be white. And let us put into the milk. Okay, and then the fifth one, the fifth slice, let's put into the normal water, I mean drinking water, and the sixth one into the vinegar, and the seventh one, just see, it will be just put into the empty glass where I haven't taken any of the ingredients to be treated. Okay, let us wait for a few minutes to be reaction taking place, that we could observe the which slice of an apple gonna change more brown colors. Okay, and of course this activity we can determine the speed of oxidation reaction of an apple. Okay student, this is the result of our today's activities. Now let us have a look of this first slice of an apple which is kept in the untreated glasses. Wow, it seems to be really brown. Can it be seen to you? I would see this turns really brown color. Okay, now let's have a look of the slice of an apple which is kept in the vinegar solution. I could see this also turned brown, but not very much as compared to the untreated slice. Okay, now I would show you normal water, and then sugar water, the salt water, the slice are actually not turned much brown. And then let us have a look of this slice of an apple which is kept in the milk. It also seems to be not very brown. Okay, and eventually I would show you the slice of an apple which is kept in the orange juice. Wow, it seems to be really white, isn't it? That means this is the substance gonna have to protect the oxidation reactions, I would say, isn't it? If at all you compare in between the slice kept in the orange juice and the slice kept in the empty untreated glasses, I would tell you that the untreated glasses is really turns brown, the slice, and then the slice kept in the orange juice is not at all. I mean, very slow oxidation reactions. So from this activity we came to understand that this kind of citrus fruits like orange juice and lemonades, and I would say the pineapple juice, of course, gonna work effectively to protect the oxidation reactions. Okay students, now let us understand why the slice of an apple kept in the untreated glasses, I mean the empty glasses, turns more brown. What is the real mechanism? It's because of this oxidation reactions. Students, when we actually cut the apple into different slices, what happens? The slice exposed to the air, and this can only happen when the apple cells get damaged and the phenols, it is an enzyme present in the apple, come into contact with the oxygen. It turns phenol into melanin. Okay, and importantly, it allows the phenols to change the phenol into melanin, which is actually a brown color. Basically what happens, the oxygen react with phenols, which is also said to be a polyphenol oxidase. This is going to be an enzyme present in the apple. After reaction with the oxygens, the phenols can change the phenol into melanin. Okay, so basically the oxidation reaction is a loss of electrons. So in this case you could find how the oxygen play a vital role. Oxygen is really good to taking electrons, and by the way, the oxygens and phenols work together to get the electron from the phenol and changes into melanin. That's going to be a oxidation of phenol, even you could say. Okay student, this is also said to be a enzymatic reactions or catalytic reaction, because the enzyme present in the apple is called phenolase, or I would say in other word is polyphenol oxidase, gonna play a key role to convert the phenol into melanin. Because of the melanin, the apple turns brown color. And this reaction also can be applied in bananas. You could see the green banana turns into brown color. Basically, for the same reason that human hair, eyes and the skin is brown color, due to presence of melanin. When the same oxidation reaction taking place in sort of metals, we tend to say it's resting. Okay, and this is all about today's activities. In this activity we came to learn about why the apple turns brown color when it exposed to air, and then of course how the apple can be treated, I mean how it can be prevented by some sort of substances. So I hope this video might have helped you to understand about this activity. Okay student, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you with the next other activities.